Hello guys and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert a column in an Excel worksheet. So let's say you have this table you are working on and you started with full names. Now we want to insert a column that will carry the serial number. Alright, so what we have to do is we highlight this column. Alright, let's say this is a place we want to insert the new column here. So you highlight it, then go to Home tab, you locate Insert, click on the drop down, then Insert Sheet Columns. You click on it. You can see your column has been inserted. So all you have to do is to name it. Let's call it serial number. All right. So this is how to insert a column in Excel. And alternatively, you can also right click. After highlighting, you right click, you go to Insert, then you insert a column. All right, but first of all you must highlight the column. You must click on this capital letter alphabet at the top here. Once you click on them, then you can right click and then insert. That is telling the Excel framework that okay, I'm going to insert something, and whatever I'm going to do, I'm working with column. So if you insert, it already know that yes, you are going to insert column. Hope you understand. Then as an addition, let's say okay, after you've inserted this column, now you want to add the numbering. All you have to do is to enter 1, 2, 3. I'm adding this as a bonus. All right, 3, number 1 to 3 is just enough. So instead of you to continue doing it manually, imagine if you're having a worksheet comprising of 1,000 rows. You can't continue inserting like this. Okay, so what you have to do is just highlight the tree here, then double click on this edge here. All right, double click on the edge. It will help you to number every other row in the worksheet. Hope you understand. So if you're having a worksheet comprising of let's say 1,000 rows, or maybe more than 1,000 rows, all you just have to do is make sure that your numbers are serial from 1 to 3, then highlight 1 to 3, then double click at the corner. You will get it done fast. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, do well to leave a thumb up, subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye bye.